in America, an anchor of quality. The new universal beam clamps, ideal for rigging and lifting. Hello, my name is Alan Mark of Industry Visions, and this is WVSN Reports, directly from Harington Hoist in Manheim, Pennsylvania. Our special guest, Mr. Brett Lassow, Business Development Sales Manager. Welcome, Brett.
Thank you, Alan. Appreciate it.
Brett, now these beam clamps, they are the ideal companion for what kind of a worker in industrial applications?
Yeah, I mean, that's exactly it. Industrial applications, I mean, just think of any type of construction. You've got general contractors, millwrights, maintenance personnel. You've got everything from mechanical contractors to pipe fitters. I mean, really, anybody that's on a job site that's doing any type of lifting and rigging can use a beam clamp.
Now, give me an example of why somebody would need a beam clamp. I mean, what's the purpose of it?
Sure. So let's think about a power plant construction. Say it's a coal burning plant, a coal fire plant. Obviously, there's lots of piping in that facility. Well, when they build the power plant, they bring in large sections of pipe. They rig hoist and beam clamps from the ceiling, and they hold the various pieces of pipe together. Then the pipe fitter comes in and welds it. Well, without a tool to hold the pipe in place, there's no way that they could assemble all that piping within the facility.
Makes a lot of sense. Now, Brett, talk a little bit about the 5-to-1 safety factor on these clamps.
Well, our clamps are a little unique in the fact that they're designed with a 5-to-1 safety factor. So, you know, at Harington, we take safety very important for us. And so what we do is we try to put a design into every single thing that we do that at least meets, on this particular unit, a 5-to-1 safety factor. Every single beam clamp is load tested to 125% of capacity. Every single beam clamp is serialized, and every single beam clamp comes with a test certificate.
Now, Brett, talk a little bit more about some of the features of how one would use one of these clamps.
Sure. So, you know, we talked about a work holding device. So this can basically be used to suspend from an I-beam to hold a hoist. It can also be used to lift. So this meets the requirements of ASME BTH1, which is below the hook lifting device. So this can be used not only for rigging, it can also be used for lifting of an I-beam.
So these are basically a critical component that every industrial contractor needs to have in their toolbox for any job.
Have to have them. I mean, a hoist has to hang from something. It has a hook and it must hang, so beam clamps are ideal.
Universal beam clamps made in America, right here at Harington.
You got it.
Brett, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Alan.
Alan Mark from Industry Visions and WVSN Reports. Goodbye, everybody.